Dear students, welcome to Blackboard.
A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 cm and radius 60 cm standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 cm is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of cylinder is 60 cm and its height is 180 cm. So here it is saying that there is a cylindrical vessel and a solid is keeping inside the vessel. The solid is the combination of hemisphere and a cone. The cylinder is full of water. When the solid is dropped into the cylindrical vessel, the water flowed out. The question is, find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Here it is given the radius of cylinder is 60 cm and the height of cylinder is 180 cm. For the solid, the radius of hemisphere is 60 cm, cone radius 60 cm and height 120 cm. So first let us find out the amount of water in this cylinder, that is the volume of water, that is equal to pi r square h, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 180 centimeter cube. Volume of solid equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 120 plus 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 60. Here you can see 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 60 and 60 are common. We can take it out of the bracket. Here is remaining 120. Here is remaining 2 into 60, that is also 120. So we get 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 120 plus 120. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 240. So this is the volume of solid and this one is the volume of cylinder. Here the amount of water flowed out is equal to the volume of the solid. So we can write the volume of water flows out equal to 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 80. Here this 3 and 240 we cancelled, that is why here we got 80. Now the volume of water left equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of water flows out. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 180 minus 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 80. Here you can see 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 is common. Here there is remaining 180 and here is remaining 80. So we get that is equal to 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 180 minus 80. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 100. That is equal to 1.131 meter cube approximately. Remember, here we have converted the answer to meter cube. We know to change centimeter to meter, divide by 100, centimeter square to meter square, divide by 10,000, centimeter cube to meter cube, divide by 10 lakh. So here we have divided the answer with 10 lakh and wrote the answer in meter cube. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long, 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements and pi equal to 3.14. So here is, I have drawn the figure of the solid, a sphere with the cylindrical neck. We needed to find out the volume. So find out the volume of cylinder and sphere and add it. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Here it is given the radius of cylinder is 1 cm and height is 8 cm. The radius of sphere is 8.5 by 2 cm. Here it is given diameter is 8.5. So volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h, that is equal to 3.14 into 1 into 1 into 8, that is equal to 25.12 centimeter cube. Volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2, that is equal to 321.39 centimeter cube. Total volume, that is the volume of glass vessel, that is equal to 25.12 plus 321.39, that is equal to 346.51 centimeter cube. So by calculating, we have got this is the volume of this vessel. So we can understand the volume found by the child, it is wrong. It was 345 centimeter cube. Volume measured by the child is not correct.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.